What is this event here tonight? What are you awarding at the Trinity Innovation Awards?
Well, this event here tonight is the celebration of innovation in Trinity, recognising the work that people have done and rewarding them. Innovation means a lot to Trinity. Innovation is part of the core mission of the university. There was a time when we would talk only about education and research, but now we talk about education, research and innovation, taking the outputs of research into making an impact for society, which is what innovation is all about.
My research is at the nexus of people, technology and processes. So I've worked across aviation, transport and healthcare, really on human factors projects, which are all about delivering benefits for individuals and for society. So as was mentioned, I've worked with Mazda in terms of looking at new driving technology, which involves a lot of sensors and artificial intelligence and machine learning, to deliver real value for older adults, to allow them to continue to drive and to participate in society.
We have a startup, Nexalus. It's a campus company as well now, and we're tackling the global challenge of energy in data centers. And for those who don't know, one of the biggest problems in data centers in terms of their energy consumption is cooling of the computers. And we have IP and we have technology that can make a drastic reduction change in the amount of energy that data centers consume.
So Head Diagnostics is it's a relatively new company. We only established in September of 18. What we're aiming to do is bring a medical device to market that can diagnose different forms of brain impairment and disease. In an instance, concussion, for example, will be one of the areas that we're looking at.
Well, we have a number of industry-related projects. Our group is a nanothermal research group. So we use lasers to heat up materials and then we measure the temperature rise. And this allows us to see how heat is moving through very small materials and devices. So a lot of companies are having issues with heat. When their electronics get very small, they heat up, and we're trying to solve those issues.
How important is it for researchers to do industry engagement?
I think it's pivotal because it gives you a route that you can bring your research to market. So unless researchers have that capability, there probably wouldn't be as much innovation, there wouldn't be as many new products. And some of the challenges that we're really facing in the world at the moment, we need both academics and industry to work together.
I'd also add that from the industry side, it's also very important. For a company, it gives them access to probably future employees, and it helps them to develop that people pipeline. But also, Ireland has migrated over the last 10 years from being a purely manufacturing base to being an R&D base, and the ability of companies to reach back into the university sector and do collaborative research with academics has been really pivotal in helping that happen.
I'm a scientist. I spend a lot of time, following ideas and, looking for clues in data. I love data. I love looking at what people have measured and then trying to see, is it true, first thing, and if it is true, then what does it mean?
I think the secret of Movidius really was the team of people. It's such a tremendous team of really, really talented, creative people who are, super committed to the business and really brave, and they stuck with it. There's lots of that in Ireland. We have it in spades for sure. So I'm absolutely confident there's going to be more and more.
Most people would say innovation is a contact sport. You need to be able to bring together people with different perspectives, different viewpoints. You need to connect the entrepreneur with the experienced business person, with the venture capital and the financing. Clearly it becomes easier if these people are co-located.